Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to assign the salesperson code to the customer ship to address. All right, so let's get into it. So you go into Business Central, click on the customer card, and then click on the customer menu, and then go into the ship to addresses. Open the ship to card. You can create as many ship to addresses as you want, and here Microsoft has added the salesperson code to the ship to address. Now if you can't find the salesperson code here, you can go to personalize and then you can add it. Okay, just drag and drop it. Right, so here I have specified Jim as our as our sales code person here. So I'm going to come out of the customer card now, and then let's go into the ongoing sales orders, and then just open one of the sales orders for this customer. As you can see, the salesperson code defined on this sales order is Helena, right? So let's assume we want the salesperson code to be the one that is on the ship to address. So what you're going to do is come into the shipping and billing tab, right? And then you click on the ship to, and then you select the alternative shipping address, right? And then click on the one that you want to use. So we're using Toronto, then click on OK. And then when you go to the general first tab to check the salesperson code, you see that it has been updated to Jane, right? So the system automatically updates it for you, and then you can proceed, with your sales order. This is very useful for when you want, the ship to address, for when you want the salesperson code on your ship to address to tally with what you have on your general fast tab. Okay. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to leave them below. Like our page, share our YouTube videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.